Hello, everyone. My name is Jeff Sigmund. I am a professor of chemistry and biochemistry at St. Mary's College. I'm here with my colleague, Professor Mark Lingwood, and also biochemistry major Erica Hurtado. And we're going to talk to you a little bit about the opportunities in chemistry and biochemistry at St. Mary's.
All right. So I'm not going to spend a bunch of time talking about our degree requirements because this information is on the website and I don't want to waste our recording time on that. I will say that in chemistry and biochemistry, we try hard to make, and we succeed, at making our degrees match national standardizing organizations. So the BS in chemistry aligns with the requirements for a chemistry major from the American Chemical Society, for example. We also have a Bachelor of Arts in Chemistry, which has a few less requirements in it, which then would give students time to to enroll in the single subject 4+1 program, which is through the Justice and Community Leadership Department. And that allows students to complete the degree, the requirements for a degree in chemistry, as well as some teaching classes in their 4 years of undergraduate, and then continue on to get a teaching credential and perhaps a master's degree. You can also fulfill pre-medical requirements if you have more of a chemical interest by taking some classes outside of the major. Also, this would be good if you're interested in scientific writing or patent law or something where you need the scientific background, but it doesn't have to be as thorough, and you want to take some other classes as well. And we also have an environmental concentration for our BS in chemistry, which allows students who are interested in environmental science, environmental chemistry in particular, to take classes tailored towards that interest. Want to talk about the biochemistry, Jeff?
Yeah, sure. So here is an example 4-year plan for the biochemistry major. And of course, you're going to have a mixture in this degree of both chemistry and biology intensive courses. Students have their choice in the upper division courses, their junior and senior year, whether they want to focus more in the chemistry side or the biology side of their major. But of course, the introductory courses that you take as a biochem major overlap with chemistry, biology, and allied health sciences. So a student who comes in as any of those intending to do any of those majors doesn't actually have to decide right away. You can take courses, reflect on how you like them, and often in the second year when students take organic chemistry and their intro bio course, that's when they develop their they solidify their interest. Oh, I really love chemistry side of things, or I really love biology side of things, and make their decision about their major from there.
And one thing we like to talk about when discussing our department and what we do is the instrumentation we have. And I recognize that students who've taken high school biology and chemistry might not recognize what a number of these instruments are. But what's important is that we have the instrumentation that's reflective of modern chemistry and biochemistry practice, and we use that instrumentation to train our students how to go forth and prepare them for careers or wherever else they'd like to go. So we do very well at maintaining a suite of instrumentation, and we also have a huge emphasis on having students use the instrumentation. So I teach a class called Chemical Instrumentation, and in that class, I give students the keys to our $400,000 nuclear magnetic resonance spectrometer and say, go have fun, I'll be down there to help you in a few minutes, and let students get that experience working with the software, actually interacting with the instrument.
Yeah, and in fact, the labs are small enough. Our labs, the upper division labs, are capped at usually 12 to 16 students. So each individual student is getting hands-on experience with that instrumentation. So no one's left out, and we make sure that when students come away with their degree at St. Mary's, they've had a number of hours on these advanced instrumentation. And we have heard back from our students after they're employed or in graduate school that the people that they are talking with or even comparing themselves to other students, they feel like I have a lot of experience with this, and my employers have been impressed with it. So that's something that the students definitely come away with because of our small size and our focus on making sure that students in our labs are able to get that experience.